like everything is new.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're actually gonna be cooking some breakfast. I usually eat avocado toast like almost every morning, but today I feel like making an omelet, so we're gonna do that. By the time that this video is posted, it's gonna be Thanksgiving already, so happy Thanksgiving, you guys. I hope you guys stay safe, and I hope you guys eat some good food. Okay, so let's get started. So hi, in my omelet I'm gonna put some salchichas, some sausages, and then we have onion and tomato, some Italian cheese, 6 cheese blend, and then some spinach. So let me take out my cutting board.
First flowers calling on warm days overdue, but I call like everything is new. The sun.
So I cut my stuff. Let me turn it on. What am I doing? So we're gonna let that warm up a bit, and then let me get my little container to mix my eggs. Do I only want 8 eggs? 8. Whoa. Where did I get 8 eggs from? Whoa there. Do I only want 2 eggs? Or 3? I'll just go. I'm not gonna put all the cebolla because I cut a lot. My weed. Okay, so while that's doing its thing, we gotta get to the eggs. Look at them eggs. So what do you guys like to eat for breakfast? Put some salt, some seasoning. I like adding garlic salt, but we don't have any at the moment, so I'm just improvising right now. And I like to add some milk to make it fluffier. Ew. Okay, new angle. Go, go, go. She's doing her thing. Look at her go. So I'm gonna add it. Okay, and then on the other side we got our cheese. Woo! Look at her go. Doesn't really fit, but we improvising over here. just me, just a girl and her omelet, you know, chilling out here, living, just for now because it's gonna die soon. But let's go. Should I just eat the omelet or should I make something else? I don't know if I'll have space for anything else, but what should we? Oh, let's make a smoothie. All right, let's check on her. Ooh, she looks amazing. How do I fold her? Ah, I need assistance. Assistance. No, come on, we got this. No. What the heck? How do you do this? Ow. I need it folded. It's falling apart. No. Did I try folding it too soon? Was it not ready? Oh man. She's so greasy. And that was my bad. No! Oh, she look good. Why are you playing? Look at that presentation right here. Let's move her over there. Okay. So what should we put on the other side? Oh! Hold up. Y'all ain't ready for this MasterChef stuff. Okay, okay. Ah. Oh, y'all can't even see it. Okay. Y'all see her now? Y'all ready for this MasterChef stuff? So if we're not, she's almost dying, okay? So we have to be quick with this. I hope it's not brown. Ugh! I think it's brown! Ugh! Ew! Okay, here we go. Come on, go in. What the heck? Okay. I really want to go off the deep end. Ah, beautiful. I did my best, Gordon. There's still some left. Leave no avocado behind. Oh my god. There we go. Look. Oh, she look horrible. Hold up. Wait, I gotcha. Wait. Y'all ready? Booyah! I told y'all wasn't ready. You know how they be putting the little sour cream on the side. And I put some red sauce aquí, some green sauce here. Whew. It gives it a nice little pop. You know. Okay, so now we have to make our little smoothie. I drink coconut milk, so that's what it's gonna be made with. Some leche de coco. I guess we'll just make a basic banana smoothie. Where is the... Okay, so we have our banana. Home. And we add our coconut milk. Let's go. I didn't make a lot, but that's fine. Pew! Ooh. One of my banana pieces did not blend. Hello. Let us eat together. First, we do our little prayer. So, contrary to what you may assume, this was actually my first time making an omelet. I've never actually attempted to make an omelet. Add a little bit of this. a little bit of this, that. Let's try her. Don't watch me. I'm trying to eat. You're making me nervous. Oh, you see what you made me do? I'm not gonna lie, that's really good. Come through and eat with me. Pretty please. With a little cookie on top. Now it's your turn. Oh my god. So, why'd I get stuck? I'm not trying to touch your food, okay? I tried not to let me not touch your food. Corona. Can't touch your food. Look, try it. It's good, right? I thought so. Ooh, I did a good job. Okay. Okay.
Like everything